call to the Cambodian government to release our 5 friends immediately without any condition. Mother Nature Cambodia is a youth-led movement fighting to protect the environmental and defend our rights. Cambodia is like the beautiful country with the rich culture, but sadly under the repressive regime. Because of my activism, the court sentenced me to 8 years in prison. Now I am in exile. 5 of my friends are now in prison. They got the same charge as me, 6 to 8 years in prison. The situation in the prison right now is really terrible. Despite of restriction, I still continue to use my voice and continue my activism. I believe Cambodian people deserve a better life. To the local and also international friends, please stand up with us and pressure the government to release our friends.